Hello, I'm Wendy with an I, and I'm going to be testing 5 Pinterest Christmas treat recipes. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Okay, this is being hosted by Mariah over at Mariah's Whole New World. So thank you so much, Mariah, for asking me to participate in this. I will have her channel linked below, as well as all the videos that are participating in this. I'll have their video links in the description below as well. So check everyone out, guys. You're gonna want to, because everyone is doing something different that is Pinterest inspired. Drinks, appetizers, vegan recipes. So check it all out. Mine is treats. So stick around, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you going through all 5 of the recipes. And then at the end, I'm going to bring in the treat connoisseur in our home, which is Mr. Sweet Tea. And we're going to give them all a taste test, and we're going to see if they get a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So let's get to it. Here's Mr. Sweetie. And he's going to help me taste test these, and we'll let you know which of these Pinterest Christmas treat recipes are a yes, and if any are a no.
Well, I hope they're all yeses.
Okay, so what do we want to start with? We'll start with the cute container that has the elf hats in them.
Elf hat.
Okay, elf hats.
Oh.
Okay. These are the elf hats, and these were made with bugles, candy melts, candy chocolates, and sprinkles. It's pretty simple and easy to make. It's the first thing I made.
Kind of strange combination with bugle and candy melt.
They're good.
Very good.
I ate a lot of bugles while I was making these.
I would have never thought these would be good with bugles.
It's really good, sweet and savory. We're gonna do the three. Okay, this was on Pinterest as in one post. It said 3 amazing treats you have to try this Christmas or something like that. So I was hooked, and that's why I was like, I'm gonna do all 3. Those sound really, really good. So let's start with the Ritz Cracker Toffee, and that's in this container.
Pretty container.
And this was made with the Ritz crackers, the butter, brown sugar, chocolate chips, and you could use sea salt, but I opted to use the sprinkles instead of the sea salt. So.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, Lord.
The problem was, and they've already seen it in the video, that the bottom of it, the butter and brown sugar make like a caramel, but it didn't. It is mushy. It's mushy on the back.
It's like snot.
It's like what?
Snot.
Oh, yes. The consistency's awful. I tried to wipe it off. What do you think?
I'm not a fan.
The next thing, let's try the snowstorm popcorn. Okay, this was the microwave popcorn with the 2 sticks of butter, the marshmallows, and brown sugar. And it said you could make these into balls, like popcorn balls, but they've already seen on the video as well. I couldn't manage to do it. It's so sticky, and I couldn't put it in a container because it's sticky. It won't hold.
Well, presentation, you get an F. I'm just saying.
Yeah. Did you already show them?
Yeah, I saw.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. Okay. So let's taste it.
This is regular old popcorn.
Yeah, it's just microwave popcorn.
Microwave popcorn.
It's actually good.
It's not bad.
It tastes like a popcorn ball you get at a fair or something.
Yeah, I wonder why you had a problem with putting them in a ball.
I don't know. I followed all the instructions. Okay, and then the last thing that was in that Pinterest post was the pigeon mix. And that was corn checks, golden grams, almonds, corn syrup, sugar, and butter. And it called for shredded coconut, but he doesn't like coconut. So I just left it out, and I just added the whole pack of almonds. So instead of a half a cup of almonds, it was like 3/4 cup. So.
Okay.
So, and we put it in the 'tis the season to be yummy. It kind of sounds weird, doesn't it? Okay. So here it is in its container, and I lined it because it too was not, even after sitting in there all day, it wasn't like real.
Okay. So there's almonds
It's
and
kind of gooey too.
Yeah, let's see. I feel like an animal just digging in with my hands.
Oh.
Yeah,
It's very soggy.
yeah.
I'm going to take one more bite because I like Golden Browns.
Yeah, they are soggy. I mean, not to say that it's not good. It's not soggy, it's a little chewy.
Olaf cake pops and cake pops. So.
Oh, cake pop. Okay, well, let's show them what they look like.
Now,
Now, don't make fun of the cake decoration. She's not a professional cake
they've
decorator.
already seen them.
So I'm going to show them again. Ooh.
They are Olaf's distant relatives.
Yeah, Moloch.
And then I made a ginormous cake pop.
A ginormous cake
I mean,
pop.
it's huge.
Starbucks would charge you $48 for that cake pop. Look, here, jelly bean. Cake pop.
And these are really big too. Look how big this cake pop is.
Yeah, see my thumb. See my thumb? I mean, it's huge.
Okay, I'll let you take the first bite then.
You're like, okay, you want
Yeah.
me to die? Okay.
Is it good? They're really easy to make. Now, molding it into a character is challenging, and you should make, if you make cake pops, I mean, you should make them a reasonable size, not Wendy size. You like it?
That's not bad. Not bad at all.
I haven't tasted it at all.
It's not bad at all. It's
Oh,
a little.
no.
It's a little hard to get through that candy coating.
The candy coating is really thick.
Yeah, it's pretty thick. So I don't know how you managed to make that thinner, but if you could, that wouldn't be a bad little treat.
Yeah, I have figured that out. This is the first time I worked with candy melt too.
Right. So I mean, unless you make it the size of Mount Rushmore like she did, then
Look how thick that is.
you know it's pretty good size.
It's a lot of cake and a lot of, but it's good. It tastes good.
Now,
Olaf cake pops. Olaf and cake pops. Yes or no?
oh, definitely yes.
Elf hats.
Oh,
Yes.
definitely elf hats. Yes.
Pigeon mix.
No.
No. Snowstorm popcorn.
I would say yes if we could get it not so sticky.
Yeah. Not so sticky would be great.
No.
And Ritz cracker toffee. No.
I wanted to curse.
You
but
almost did.
I almost cursed, but I didn't. I should pat myself on the back.
Family friendly.
Family friendly. I don't know what that means, but okay.
All right, so there you have it. Thank you so much for taste testing with me, honey.
No problem, babe.
All right. Thank you all for watching. I hope wherever you are having a wonderful day. Be sweet.
Still recording.
Oh, no, and I cussed.
What the heck's wrong with you? Where's the yucky stuff? You made 3 canisters of the yucky stuff?
No, there's different things in all of these.
Oh, okay. Can I go? It's past my bedtime. Love you.
Thanks, guys, for hanging in here. I love you, too.